No, we are praying. We are obviously. Who are you? You have not passed. You are one of the state fail candidate. He is a state fail candidate. State fail candidate. State fail candidate. His clients have not passed state. He is terminated by your lordship's order. He is one of the persons. He is because I am in service. Please try to understand. Who are you in an adversarial litigation? Yes.
If your time is not increased, how could you say?
You decide.
Why in my petition he will be added as a party?
Have you all found out the source of the money?
And CBI also has made inroads into some very vital names which will be disclosed in the report.
Do we see any end immediately to the investigation process?
My lord has seen it started with school service scam. There we are coming to some end because we are fighting that matter before the Honorable Division Bench.
Now the municipality scam has been added. Ration scam is also there. What about the report of the voice sample that was collected? If you all want to find out something, these samples and the report of the sample will be required. Otherwise, there was no point in taking the sample and then not making use of it. Will you be representing the CBI also? Yes.
My lord, before my lord, kindly, my lord, may I just? I am being.
Please.
It is, my lord, my application. I have not yet been added as a party. I'll be praying. Lordship kindly passes any order in my application. What? No, not dismiss. Not dismiss. Your lordship will be.
Either to allow or to dismiss.
No. I kindly don't, my lord. Lordship, I know. If Lordship hears me, Lordship will be allowing my application.
Very well.
We'll file our opposition. Let them.
That is what I'm. It has already been served. Please.
I am right.
Yes, sir. My application was served on the first day. My lord, my humble submission before Lordship would be there is another issue which has fallen from the division bench as of today with regard to the locus of the petitioners. May I just, it is elementary that the petitioners.
Here. Division bench is hearing, division bench will
So
hear.
therefore, until the locus and the issue of the petitioners are cleared,
yes,
and they make a satisfactory explanation to the division bench, my lord, at least at the instance of the petitioners, Lordship will not take up this matter vis-a-vis the recruitment process. I am not standing in the way, Lordship taking up the matter vis-a-vis the.
Please wait. I am hearing the.
It is CBI, I am not standing in the way.
Yes. Let me see the report of the ED and the CBI.
The report of the CBI, my lord, quite comprehensive, my lord. I am not uttering the names of the persons who have, my lord, we have.
No, there is no requirement of uttering the names.
My lord, we have made considerable progress as far as CBI is concerned, my lord. And
have you all found out the source of the money?
my lord, kindly go through the report. Because it's a never-ending source here. There, everything is so very intermingled.
Right.
That is creating cases like opening a Pandora's box.
Yes.
From one, it is leading to another. From another, it is leading to something else. Now, Milord, as far as this ED's report is concerned, something has also come, Milord, before Milord will see, Milord. We have made several attachments. And we have made several attachments.
CID likhta hobe.
Made several attachments, Milord. Lordship.
All right.
And Milord, there have been press briefings also, Milord. I will not make it controversial here, Milord. But we have made several attachments. We have now referred it to the adjudicated authority. The process is on, Milord. And Milord, CBI also has made inroads into some very vital names which will be disclosed in the report.
Do we see any end immediately to the investigation process?
What has happened very candidly and subject to fairness granted by my God. But what is happening is, it is why it is become, because it's a vicious circle. Vicious circle means one ends to another and it has become an 8. So that is what is happening now. My lord has seen it started with school service scam. There we are coming to some end because we are fighting that matter before the Honorable Division Bench.
Now the municipality scam has been added.
PDS.
Ration scam is also there.
That is all, they are all intermingled. So under those circumstances where it's a Pandora's of what will come out, if something comes out which is again added to someone else, then again we have to go on with the investigation. We cannot say that alright, we'll truncate the investigation here.
No, that is not possible. But at the same time, if you all, the moment you all get to know that there is some illegal cash or whatever it is,
We have attached, my lord. How much we have attached, my lord, we'll see from our ED's report.
last time the attachment was very meager, and that too only after the court pointed out that there is a provision for attachment that you all went ahead with it. Other prior to that, you all did not.
We attach. What happens, my lord? The thing is, my lord, as soon as we attach, then we follow procedure under section 8.
Yes,
My lord.
yes.
So, my lord, before attaching, my lord, we had reasons to believe, my lord, so that we have to work out. So that takes certain amount of time, my lord. We are working very hard, my lord.
What about
Substantial progress, my lord, will get.
what about the report of the voice sample that was collected?
My lord, CFSL. My lord, it is CFSL report is waited from Delhi, my lord. That
It's still awaiting. How long does it take in usual course?
None at a voice.
When was it collected? Sometimes in January, possibly? More than 2 months over?
my lord, will kindly bear me, my lord. On the next date, my lord, we'll come up.
Please follow it up with the CFSL authorities. Otherwise, the sample will be there and it will be of no use to the authorities. If you all want to find out something, these samples and the report of the sample will be required. Otherwise, there was no point in taking the sample and then not making use of it. Isn't it?
And my lord, that also, my lord, the sample was given, then we had to fight tooth and nail, my lord, to keep not get the sample eradicated from the evidence.
Whatever. Now, since you all have been able to collect it,
My lord, we have been able to collect it, my lord. We'll get back to my lord with substantial information as to what they have done, and we are at it, my lord. We'll
please come.
My lord, two humble submissions, my lord. My lord, first, your lordship kindly pass an order to that effect so that the voice sample will come on the next. And second, my lord, this CBI and ED has filed 2 reports, my lord. Maybe kind enough for your lordship, after your lordship goes to those reports, my lord, to extract the important portions in the order, my lord, because it is necessary, because in everywhere we are fighting. Unless and until we show what is the magnitude of the scam, my lord, it is not possible to substantiate before higher courts.
Several courts,
Wait.
several. And not only that, my lord, if that is there is, because there is an intermingling effect, my lord. If which portion is attached to this.
Education matter and the other.
So,
with
so
the
that,
other.
that is very important, my lord, in this regard. So that portion ought to be extract in the order sheet also, because it
No,
otherwise,
they
my lord,
cannot
I will
dictate how the
see.
orders has to be written.
No,
We are free. We are obviously.
no,
Who are
no,
you?
no,
You have not passed. You are one of the TATE-fail candidate. He is a TATE-fail candidate. TATE-fail candidate. TATE-fail candidate. His clients have not passed state. He terminated by your lordship's order. He is one of the persons. He is because I am in service. Please try to understand. Who are you in an adversarial litigation? Yes.
if your right is not infringed, how could you say?
By you decide.
Why in my petition he will be added as a party?
Locus standi টা হোক আগে
চেম্বারে
ডিভিশন বেঞ্চের কাছে
For submission.
How you are agree?
Because
When the Supreme Court did not intervene.